how to turn on post view on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily turn on post view on TikTok. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. To turn on post view on TikTok, so firstly open the TikTok. So after opening the TikTok, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner, so click on it. And then here is the option of 3 lines on the top right corner, so click on it. After this, click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, you can see here privacy option, so just tap on it. So after this, scroll down. So when you will scroll down, here is the option of post view, so click on post view. And then you can see post view is off, so when you will click on it, post view option is on. So guys, in this way you can turn on post view on TikTok. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.